Why should I inspect visible refrigerant lines? You should inspect them to catch damage, leaks, insulation problems, and safety concerns before they cause poor cooling, higher energy bills, or expensive air conditioner repairs. Visible refrigerant lines are the copper tubes that carry refrigerant between the indoor and outdoor parts of an air conditioning system. Look for crushed sections, sharp bends, oil marks, greenish stains, heavy rust, or loose connections. An oily spot can be an important clue because refrigerant may carry a small amount of compressor oil through a leak. The larger insulated line should normally have clean, unbroken insulation, while the smaller exposed copper line may feel warm during cooling. Do not remove fittings, loosen caps, or touch a line that is extremely cold, because refrigerant can injure skin and eyes. Check that the lines are not rubbing against siding, wood, metal, or electrical wires, since vibration can slowly wear through the copper. A lesser-known warning sign is insulation that has become cracked or waterlogged, because it can reduce efficiency and cause condensation to drip where it should not. Take clear photos, note unusual sounds or ice, and arrange professional service if you see damage, oil, or a system that is no longer cooling properly. A common mistake is assuming that ice on a refrigerant line means the system needs more refrigerant, but restricted airflow from a dirty filter can cause the same symptom, so check the filter first, and call a qualified technician if icing continues. Another mistake is judging refrigerant charge by touching the pipe, because temperature changes with weather and operating conditions. Use a professional pressure and leak test instead. People also sometimes cover damaged insulation with tape and stop there. But tape does not repair a refrigerant leak or hidden copper damage, so have the line inspected before making a permanent repair. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.